What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can send or transfer Bitcoin from Binance to another Binance account. Now this is very quick and easy. The first thing you need to do, guys, is to get the Bitcoin wallet address from the account that you are trying to send the Bitcoin to. So if you are trying to send this to your friend or your family member or anything, you need to get the wallet address. Now how they can get the wallet address? They need to click on wallet and fiat and spot, and yeah, after you click on fiat and spot, like this is how you can get the wallet address so that you can send Bitcoin from your own Binance. Now we are just showing you guys how you can get the wallet address, okay? And after this I am going to be showing you how you can send from your own account to the account that you want, okay? Now the person that will receive Bitcoin from you, you need to select here. You need to find Bitcoin. As you can see, all the coins, you will see here all different coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Now in the action section, you need to click on deposit. Now after they click in deposit, make sure it's Bitcoin, as you can see, because if you select other like crypto, it's not going to be received, okay? Now make sure it's Bitcoin, and network you want to select BNB Smart Chain, okay? BNB Smart Chain, and this is the wallet address. Now you want to click here, you want to copy the wallet address. Now you want to go to your own Binance account. Now you have the wallet address of the person that you are trying to send Bitcoin to. Now you want to open your own Binance account and you want to click on wallet again, click on fiat and spot. So yeah, after that again go and select Bitcoin. As you can see, this is Bitcoin. Don't click here, you want to click on withdraw in the action section. As you can see, Bitcoin, you want to click on withdraw so that you can send or transfer Bitcoin to that account. Now you want to enter the address of the person that you are trying to send Bitcoin to. This is the wallet address. I have showed you guys how you can get it at the beginning. And the network, you want to select the same network as someone, like when someone is trying to get the wallet address, you will have to select the network, and you need to select again the same network. So we selected a few seconds ago, we selected BNB Smart Chain. You want to again select BNB Smart Chain and click yes, I am sure. And then you want to select the amount of Bitcoin that you are trying to send, for example 1 Bitcoin, and you want to click on withdraw, okay? So if you click on withdraw, then this person will receive Bitcoin in a few seconds, okay? So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments, I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.